Again, it is a side cover of the seat, and the input was this tile. Okay, we have reset this tile in step file, and then what is the test requirement? Make B side surface. Okay, tooling line define. Okay, good. Tooling line. So as they have mentioned, tooling line means we have to define parting line as well. Okay, thickness will be 2.5 uniform thickness. Okay, make highlighted feature ribs needs to design as shown above. Okay, so highlighted feature, for the highlighted feature, let me paste here one image. Okay, Mahesh, yeah, is it correct?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, good. So here we have one, two, three hooks. Okay, these are the hooks.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to design hook. So hook will be on. Okay, in this image, wire is in hide mode. So if we switch over here, I can consider this face, and the bottom one, this one. Let's change the color, make it yellow. Okay, so we have to design hook on this portion. Okay, here will be the another feature. Here I think we have screw. It is
Yeah.
is it screw? Yes. Again we
Mm,
have two screw from the back side. Okay, these are the ribs. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have screw because here is one metal bracket which will be fixed with side member of the seat. Okay. So
okay.
if I draw, just a minute, let me take a section like this. So, okay, let me show you the metal bracket. Can you see the metal bracket? Okay. Here we have again one hook. Let's change the color. On this patch, we will apply screwing. Okay. So can you see this bracket? If I draw this bracket in this image, it will be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you imagine, yes or no? Here
Yes.
we have to add one screw like this.
Yes.
Clear? And here we have one wire like this. One, it will be welded again with the side member. Here we have something inclined, then again horizontal, then again inclined. Uh, then we have something like this, and we have a separate wire like this. Okay, perfect. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, like this. Clear?
Yeah.
Here we have one fixation for screw. Here will be one hook, one, two, top side hook, bottom hook. On the back side, yeah. Okay. Here you can see they have given some surface. What is the use of this surface? These are the surface of the metal structure. We can call
Okay.
it as, let's say, side member. Remember what is side member, everyone? Let me open the file. Pillar side cover. Okay. Raja, do we have side member in this part? Oh, hide and show. No. Okay, just a minute. Can you see my screen now? Everyone? Screen recording on. Okay, so here you can see this is a side member. Can you imagine? Side member.
Yes, sir.
So if I, this is the question, let's hide it. Can you see this part? Yes. Can you see this part?
Yes, sir.
We call it as side member. Okay. This is side
Okay.
member. Okay. So if right now we don't have the side member, but just imagine if I say vertical window, hide this one, hide this one, again vertical window. Okay. Now it is something like this. Okay. So let's keep our metal structure with same orientation like this. Okay. Now can you imagine you are going to assemble this part. Okay, let's keep like this, and it will be something like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now can you imagine
Yes, sir.
we are
Now.
going to assemble this part from this side. Okay. Let me try one thing. Product new. I will take one product. Okay, vertical window. Copy this file. Copy, paste. Let's copy this product. Paste. Right click. Representation terminal node. Cancel. Here you can see. Can you see the side cover and our structure both are in different position. So
Yes.
just for learning purpose, what I will do, I will just use manipulation. I will move this in X, again in Y. Can you imagine? This cover will assemble from this side,
Yeah.
something like this. Okay, let's keep click on Y. Sorry, X, Z, again X, like this. Say okay. Okay, now so what? How will be the wire assembled with the structure? Can you see this land? Let me change the color for this one. Make it blue. Make it purple. Again, make this purple. Make this purple. This will be purple again. This will be the again purple. Yes. Okay. So here you can see the purple color area. It will be welded with the side member. This is the side member. Can you see? It is not a separate part right now in my file. But if you imagine this will be a single. Uh, Let me check.
Sheet metal part.
Yeah, it will be a sheet metal part, but it will be a separate part. Okay, right now it
Separate
is
part.
in a single geometric
Machine.
set. That's
Yeah.
why I'm not able to show you it in different color. Okay, let me try. Sorry. Okay, let's convert this. Remove this one. Say okay. Now it will be a single surface. Good. Let's change color. Okay, it's already in different color. No issue. Just I will make it isolate. Okay, just a minute. Right click on this last option. Make it isolate. Okay. Now again, minimize, minimize. Okay. Now can you imagine? See, the complete this surface will be also be the part of this one. Okay. So can you imagine 1, 2, 3? three wires and one metal bracket is already welded on the side member. Now you have the side cover with some, okay, there are no switches, okay, no switches over here. Okay, so you have to assemble this side cover on this wire.
Okay.
Okay, so just for you, let's do one thing. Let's hide this one. If you want to see how it will be assembled, let me move this in Y side. I will just keep it dump. Okay. Okay. This is okay. Okay. Right click center graph. This body double click. Copy this one. Hide it. Double click. I will put that four bodies in this body. As a result, say okay. Okay. Now see double click. Right click center graph. Hide all four bodies. Now here you can see. Can you imagine now? See, this bracket is already welded on the side member. Wire is welded on this side member. This wire is
Yeah.
also welded over here somewhere, and this
Yeah.
wire is also welded. Okay. Now your job is to design this side cover, which should be assembled with this element. And so, what is this surface? This surface, this and this. Just imagine that here we have some metal. Just a minute.
Yeah.
I think we have metal. Let me show you.
Remove this
Hmm.
faces. Delete these faces
Um,
for
which one?
that two surface extra surfaces. They have told me to delete that while test.
Huh. Yes, yes, yes. See, these two surfaces are not the part of the side cover. Okay. Let me show you what is this. Now, can you imagine this surface? Can you see these two surface? Let me change the color for this two again. One, two, three. Make it green. Okay. So the green surface is not the part of the side cover. Green surface means this part. Can you imagine? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Green surface means this
Yes.
part.
Yes.
Okay, let me change into green. Okay, so just imagine now you can hide this surface. Hide it. Now imagine you have the green surface. Okay, here they have mentioned, where is the screenshot? They have mentioned that, okay, they have not mentioned, but here in image here you can see one, two. They have used two screw. Okay, so okay, here we have some, okay, here we have some uh, patches. So this screw, this position, here we are going to use screw like this. So we should have holes over here. Can you imagine, yes or no? There will be two hole on the side member. Here
Yes,
we
sir.
will
Yes.
have one hole. Here we will have one hole. Here will be the second hole. Okay. So once we assemble the complete side cover, we are going to use screw gun from the rear side. Got it, Mahesh? What is the use of green surface? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now done. Now what is your job? Your job is to create one, two, three features. Okay. Here you can design simple doghouse with screw boss. Here you can use power copy, no issue. Here you can use power copy, no issue. Even though you can use axis to axis transformation. Here you can add two features. Now tell me where is your what is your doubt now? Where is the blocking point? Mahesh? Others?
Sir, that features they haven't given that feature, sir.
Huh, so
So how we
no.
can decide to?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So Raja, Ganesh, Prashant, we have learned how to design hook. Remember, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Mahesh, we have already done that part, okay. But for the second batch means Ashok, Subhajit. For Ashok, Subhajit, and Shweta, we have not done. Okay, Mahesh. So we will start this from Wednesday or Thursday, okay? We will start this topic from Wednesday or Thursday. So we will learn how to design hook, how to design doghouse, how to design snaps, locators, okay? Parametric for any feature. Now we have this one.
Yeah.
Now our target is to design hook over here, on the bottom side as well. But the way in which we learn the hook design, we don't have to use the same methodology, okay. Every time we will have to change our design as per our fixation requirement, okay. You will have to check the assembly direction. Remember last time side cover, in which direction we have assembled the side cover last time in our project? In y direction, Ganesh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Y direction.
Why? Jan?
Z, sir.
Z direction, Ganesh.
Sir,
Remember we have slide from
sir, Z
Z.
direction, sir.
Everything was clear in y direction for the main tooling, but assembly was were in z direction. Remember the switch cover, switch box, Ganesh? Yes, Akash,
Yes,
Ashok, remember? Sachin is here?
yes.
Okay. Subhajit, are you in office?
Yes, sir.
No,
No?
sir.
Okay.
I'm in room.
Okay, good. Okay. So now this time again you have to think and you have to decide where from which direction you will assemble and how will be the fixation. What do you think? What do you think? What will be the assembly sequence? What do you think? The this wire and the bracket, three wires and the metal bracket is already welded on the side member. Now tell me how will you going to assemble the side cover on this one quickly?
Sir, we will take that bracket,
This bracket.
yeah, and both side holes of the and take center point of both side
Hmm.
and take the line from it.
Okay. No, but
That
first of
small
all,
bracket.
tell me what will be the sequence. Which feature you will lock first? Will you do screwing or will you lock the hooks? What do you think?
Hooks.
Chinmay is saying
Hooks
hooks.
first
How many
will
screws we have to use total? How many screws are there?
one
No,
and
one and
two,
two from
three,
backside.
three.
Total three, correct?
Yeah, three.
And how many hooks we have?
Yeah, yeah.
Hooks, total hook.
One, two, three.
Total four. One, two, three, four.
No, sir. That are hooks, sir. For all the fours,
Yeah.
because I didn't seen that type of
Okay.
features
Okay. See,
before.
see. Suppose this is your wire. Okay, this is your wire. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let me change the color. Suppose this is your wire. Okay. Now your green wire is going like this. Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Now for these two hooks, for the green portion, the hook will be red color. Okay. Now for this feature. Okay. One and two. Suppose this is cover. Okay. This is your cover. Your hook will be something like this. See. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Can you imagine? Yes or no? Can you imagine your red portion, this hooks? Yes or no?
Mhm. No, sir.
No? Others, Jayant, Sachin, those who know how to
Yes,
design
sir.
hook? Yes? Okay. And for this feature,
Yes,
for
sir.
the bottom one, let's say bottom wire is something like this: one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. For this bottom feature, if I draw the wire over here, okay, now this is your bottom wire, this two wire. Your feature will be something like this: one, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I design this one, it will be something like this again. It can be something like this: one, 2, 3, 4, like this. Got it? This will be circular. Can you imagine? Yes or no? So can we design this blue
Voice is not.
as per red? Okay. So again, here you can design, sorry, here you can design the blue hook same like the red one. Okay. So why we can design like red? You can design like this as well as like this. Okay. Depends on you, depends on your assembly
Yeah.
direction. Tell me, can we use this second option? This one, yes or no?
Yes, we can, sir.
How?
Uh, if we uh, our assembly direction should be the downside,
Yeah.
so same direction will be, so it
Hmm.
will, मतलब वहां पे वो फिक्स होना चाहिए,
हाँ.
वो स्लॉट के अंदर,
Hmm.
वो फीचर के स्लॉट के अंदर दोनों साइड में वो बराबर उस स्लॉट के
Okay.
अंदर फिक्स होना चाहिए.
Good. Means same time you will lock the upper hooks, these two hooks, as well as the bottom hooks, yes or no, in same direction, yes or
Yes,
no, if you are
in the
using
same
this feature.
direction. Yeah.
So up you will bring your side cover something like this and you will move down little bit. Okay, means see the first operation will be you will first lock all hooks. Okay, now see you within two hands you have hold the side cover. Okay, now you have lock your side cover in this wire. Now tell me, can you remove your hand? Yes or no? Can you remove your hand? Suppose you are a person on the assembly line. Your both hand are free now. Once you lock the side cover on the wires, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now from one hand you will use screw on, from the right hand you will use the screw gun. Now can you put one screw from this side, and can you use the screw gun? Yes or no? From this side,
Yes, sir.
because cover is already assembled on the wire. It is
Yeah.
already locked.
Yes.
Now your both hands are free. We call it as pre-locking. What we call it as pre-locking.
Yeah.
So is it important? Yes, it is very important. Pre-lock. Because you have to think in this way. Suppose if there is one engineer, or let's say a person who is working on the assembly line, he is going to assemble the side cover on the side member on this wire. So first sequence, everything should be easy for the assembly. So for pre-assembly we will need pre-locking, we will need something locking, some locking feature. So we have these two hooks, red and blue. So what he will do, first he will lock the both hook, upper two hook and the bottom two hooks in the wire. Then he will pick up one screw, he will put from this side and he will just use the screw gun. Then again he will move to back side, he will insert one screw over here. He will use screw gun. Again he will put the second screw, again screw gun. Clear the
Yes.
assembly
Yes.
sequence?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ganesh, Sachin, Shweta,
Okay.
Ashok,
Sir,
Akash?
after pre-locking,
Hmm.
we have to
No, sir.
fix it, sir.
Yeah.
Three
Once you
point.
once you pre-lock in this wire, you can use screw through this hole, you can use screw gun. Then I will move to back side. I will check the two holes from the back side. We have these two patches, so there will be two holes on this two patch. I will put one screw. I will first tighten this one, then I will put the third screw. Again, I will use the screw gun.
Yeah. Okay. Got it,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
Venkatesh, Shiva, clear. Burido, any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Clear? Okay, now it's your job to convert this part into closed volume with 2.5 mm thickness. Okay, now Raja, Ganesh, Akash, Sachin, Chinmay, okay, Prashant, both Prashant, Jayant, okay. Now you have received this input. And what was the time, Mahesh? Time limit?
Sir, 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah,
So
2 hours
fast.
they have given me
Hmm.
for remastering part,
Hmm.
sheet metal part for remastering, and also its drawing
Hmm.
for drafting it's also, and this part also for plastic part also they have given me 2 hours, sir.
Okay.
Three tasks for 2 hours only.
Okay. So you have to finish all 5 points within 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. But it is easy. I think so. It is easy. If surface is okay for the offset of 2.5 mm, then it is easy. Right click, open in new window. Say okay.
Sir, it has patch, sir, in the A surface also.
Okay, let me check. Where is the style? This one. Right click and okay. What is the purpose of that patch? Smaller one. Okay. This is for locking purpose. Okay. This is for locking purpose. Also to hide the rat hole. What is rat hole? Can you imagine if what is a rat hole? Let me tell you. Rat hole means just a visible hole. Suppose this is backrest. Okay. So backrest will be something like this. Can you imagine? And this will be the cushion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This will the bolster again. This will be the insert. Sorry. This will be the insert area. Again, this will be the bolster. Trenches. Okay. Now there should not be any visible throughout hole in this area. Means between the side cover, backrest foam and the cushion foam. There should not be any visible gap. Just to hide that gap. Okay, sir, then why they have added some extra material? We can increase the foam like this. We can bring this foam directly straight like this. Yes or no? But imagine there will be some mechanism for recliner. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If I zoom, why they need this much gap? Because of some recliner mechanism. So where it will be, let me show you the recliner mechanism. See, can you see the thickness? Yes or no? Can you imagine this patch will be over here within this gap? This
Yeah.
gap. Yes or no? See, this cover,
Yes, sir.
this style will not match this structure. Okay, so don't consider like this. But just imagine, suppose if you design this style for this structure, it will be something like this.
No.
See, it will go up. Okay, it will be, I will go inside. It will be some downside again. I will come up and it will be something like this. Can you imagine? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So this patch, what we need to hide the hole, this is the patch. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone,
Got it.
Shweta, others.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we call it as rat hole. Okay, done,
Okay.
done. Okay, Now let's start. Can you work on this one directly or do you need my help? See, if we add geometrical set, let's check. Can we offset this one directly? Right click surface. Okay. Can you see? Can you see what is this one? Any idea what is this? What is the use of this one?
Mm,
They will cut this part. Can
no,
you
sir.
see there will be one pocket. From this one,
Okay.
you will get one latch. You will get one latch like this. For what?
Okay. Okay.
For recliner purpose. Okay. You can just pull.
Okay.
You can hold this one. You can hold this one like this. Okay. This will be the thumb and you can pull up. Seat will go back. Recliner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why we will need one cutout over here. Okay. So sir, shall I consider this everything in closed volume? See, for closed volume, you will have to avoid this cutout. You will have to avoid this cutout. Just treat this patch as a single patch without any holes. Got it? You will provide hole as per
Okay.
project requirement. Clear? As per project
Okay.
requirement, you will provide the hole. So for the closed volume, you should close this hole. So how to close? See, extract, no propagation, isolate, say okay. First I will copy this one, copy, paste in my geometrical set, right click O, rename this one as my working. Everything should be in caps. No use of this one. Right click N. I will rename the surface as a inputs style. This one, minimize, untrim, enter. Okay. I will hide this one. I will use boundary for this. See, this is a trick. Okay. Please focus. I will use outer boundary. Say okay. I will hide this one. I will show untrim. I will split it by the boundary. Okay. Now I will hide this one. Hide everything. Show this one. Apply join. I will remove that patch by using sub element to remove. Sorry. First I will have to select this surface. Then sub element to remove. I will remove this patch as well as this patch. Okay. Then I will show the split surface and I will just join it. Any doubt? I will make it isolate. I can delete everything. Just I will keep input surface. Enter. Any doubt? Yes, no, clear? Prashant, Mahesh,
No.
Chinmay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now let's
sir.
try to use offset. Offset. Sorry. Where is offset? Offset this patch inside by 2.5. Reverse. Reverse.
जो कटआउट था वहां
Okay.
पे वो सर
Hmm.
हमको लेना है कि नहीं?
No, you will have to
जो
avoid that one.
कटआउट था पहले.
You'll have to avoid that one. I will explain.
Okay.
Okay. See, in offset command,
Okay.
what it is telling you, sir, the red patch, the patches which are in red, what I'm showing you, I'm not able to offset that surface, but I can offset rest surface. So shall I offset? Say yes. Got it. So this is my input style. Change the color, make it blue. So this will be my outer surface. So suppose the blue is the A surface. So I will take the offset inside. Everything is good. This patch is missing. I will recreate this patch. Okay. I will use this patch as a C surface. Okay. Good. Nearly 95% is okay. So how to check? Select the surface and apply boundary. Let's check where are the boundaries. See, Can you see a small gap? See this one. Did you notice why there is a gap? Because of this hole. Can you see? There are some missing patches in our A surface. We have one missing patch in A surface. Okay. So
Yes,
here
sir.
we have gap. Here we will have to rework. Here we will have to rework. Again, small missing patch. Okay. Did you notice again? Why? Because of this patch, the bad surface. Okay. So don't repair this one. Just try to fill inside because you don't have time. You have only 1 hour. In 1 hour, you have to finish the close volume. Again, if I say okay, keep all sub elements, say okay. So, so I will keep this in this mode. Why? Because whenever I work, I will not use boundary command again and again. I will just show and hide this command. Okay. So I will work over here. Again, I will show this one. I will check. Okay. Then I will work over here. I will hide this one while working. Again, I will check with the boundary. So like this, you will have to work for the 2.5 mm thickness. Then you have this wire. Okay. Now tell me from advanced batch. Okay. So from advanced batch, tell me how will you start for the hook design? Yes, Akash, Ganesh, Raja, Sachin, Chinmay, how will you start for the hook design? Quickly. Yes, Raja, Sachin, Prashant.
Sir, after close volume,
Hmm.
then then decide the lifted direction. Sorry, sir, main tool direction, sir.
Okay,
MTD.
main tool direction. Okay, then.
After M, uh, after MTD decided, then
Okay,
uh,
first will you work on the close volume or first you will decide the main tool direction? What should be the sequence? How will you start?
First will the tooling direction, sir.
Okay,
Tooling,
okay, Prashant, then
then draft analysis
for what?
to check the undercuts.
For what?
To check the undercuts in
No,
the A
means will you
surface.
on which element you will perform the draft analysis?
Class A surface, sir.
Awesome. On A surface you will perform the draft analysis. Good. Then
If is everything is good, then we will proceed for the B offset.
good. Excellent. Then
Yes. After completion of the B
hmm,
offset and C surface,
hmm,
and we will make it close volume, and then
hmm,
we proceed for the B side features.
good. Then
Uh, if they have provided any mounting features for the this that environment,
sorry.
we will take a point, sir.
Hmm.
Taking the reference from the environment,
Huh.
and then we will take access system on that point.
Hmm.
Uh, and then with respect to tooling direction, we will develop that one, sir.
Okay. So for the first feature, let's say I want to design one hook over here. What will the first process? First step.
So extract the surface of the wire
Hmm. Okay, good.
and then make tangent to the curve
Sorry.
hook. सर प्रोफाइल हुक का प्रोफाइल है ना सर वो tangent.
Okay, the profile of the hook should be tangent. Okay, see, Sachin, as we discuss in this image, this one, the red one, yes, the hook will be
Yes,
something
sir.
like this.
Okay.
Okay, so if I take a section in this view, means in X view, okay, someone will ask you, let's say Sachin is in meeting, so I'm the counterpart, so I will ask you, Sachin, please take X section on the wire. X section means here you can see the X direction. X section means section perpendicular to X, means on the wire, means something like this. Sorry, something like this. Got it? This is X section. Can you see we are perpendicular to X nearly? So if someone is asking you, take a normal section to the wire or take X section on the wire. This is X section. Okay. If someone is asking you, take Y section means this one. Yes or no? This is Y section. Okay. So we will take a point. It should be on the center curve. Yes, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere over here, the center curve of the wire. Then let's say our MTD is in Y. Then here is Y. Then next step, Sachin. What will be the next step? Prashant, Raja, Ganesh, Akash.
Axis, axis system.
Axis system. Good, Ganesh. How? What will the orientation of axis system?
As per MTD.
As per MTD. Good. As per MTD as well as per the quickly.
OR.
Sorry.
OR, sir. OR
Compass.
direction.
Wire. Yeah. Wire neutral axis. Okay. If I click on Y, wire is not perfectly in X direction. Click on Y. Again click on Y. Can you see it is inclined little bit? Escape. Can you see if you click on Y, it is a side view. See both are inclined. So our axis system will be upside and like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this axis system name will be, this will be, this will be
Y.
G.
Z,
J.
and this will be
X.
X. Good. And Y will be
Along the center curve of the wire.
no,
Along MTD.
along MTD. Sachin, along the center curve of the wire, we have taken X. See?
Okay. Okay.
So how? Just see. Again, let's click on Y. Again, click on Y. I want backside view. Just focus on this one. Can you see this X, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
That's why up. Suppose this is my, I will take a midpoint of this patch. This will be my Z perpendicular to the axis. This will be my X. Can you see this is X? This is Z. And Y will be my MTD, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now can you design hook? Can what you will use for from this location to this location? You have to design the second hook.
Axis.
Axis to axis.
Axis to axis or power copy?
Power copy and axis rotation change.
Where is your section? Okay. See, these hooks are something different. These are something different, okay? Yes, what you will use from this location to this location. Quickly,
Power copy.
Power copy, sir.
why power copy?
Orientation is not identical. Both features.
Okay, why not access to access? Copy paste special as a link and then use access to access transformation.
After that, difficult to modify orientation.
But why we want to modify orientation? Okay, we can change the orientation. Tell me, Ganesh, in access to access transformation with CCP link, on which component the orientation of that element will depend?
Sir, because wire was inclined, then sketch will be changed.
Sorry, Akash.
Wire for inclined, so not same.
Why will
To
change?
change
Why will change?
sketch, wire sketch will be changed. Inclined
Why
portion.
sketch will be changed? No, but we are using access to access transformation with CCP link. If you are using CCP link and access to access transformation, you will not get second chance to change the sketch. Yes, it will depend on the first sketch, first body from where you are copying. Yes, Akash.
Yes, sir.
But tell me, how will you maintain the hook orientation with respect to the second wire? Let's say second patch, this one. Suppose you have designed one hook over here. Now you have to design the same hook on this position. Which method will you follow? Power copy or access to access transformation?
Axis.
Why?
Both are
There's
same.
height difference, sir. Maybe it maybe have height difference,
Hmm.
and also the direction of the both are different.
Hmm. Okay.
So if we power copy it,
Hmm.
and so then we can direct it, or orientation can we use as a direction of that uh, this wire. We can use it as a direction of the wire for the rotation, or the for the access system.
For the access system, in which method? In power copy.
Yeah, in power copy we first use their access system. We put
Hmm.
their access system on that point, center point, and after that, on that access system, we will power copy it.
Hmm.
So we will use it, and we can adjust the height of it.
Okay. See, we have to finish the complete test in 1 hour. Let's say 1.5 hour. Okay. So you
Yeah.
should able to take decision whether you will use the power copy or whether you will use the access to access transformation with CCP link. Okay.
CCP link means what, sir?
Um. Okay. Mahesh, we have covered this in the training. Okay. CCP
Okay.
link. Let me tell you the basic. What is CCP link? CCP link means suppose you have designed something over here. You can just replicate this feature over here in one shot. But suppose if we want to modify this feature, you will have to modify this one. Means in short, the second feature will be in relation with the first one. Okay.
Okay. For the pad and sketch and all that things, sir.
For each, see, suppose you have designed this body by adding, removing, assemble, union, trim. Let's say
Yeah.
you have used 6, 7 bodies to design the first one.
Yeah.
Now, if you are using CCP link, this will be a single body. You will not get any multiple bodies inside this one.
Okay.
Okay, so this will not be editable. You can edit this one, but to edit this one, you will have to edit this body.
Okay. Okay. It is just a copy
Copy
body.
with
Okay.
link.
Okay. Copy with link. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So now just think on it, okay? Think on it, okay? And try to finish it, okay? Everyone, you have the file, just try to finish it.
Yes.
Okay, any
Sir,
other
how
doubt?
much time
Yes.
it will take, sir, if we
Hmm.
create
Hmm.
the close body and highlighted feature, that three features, if we just create that three features, so how much time it will take? It should take
1, 2, 3.
maximum.
1.5 hour will be sufficient for this.
Okay.
1.5 hour will be sufficient. Okay, because see, there is no issue in the close volume. Some
Okay.
small patches you have to do. Okay, here I think here it will take some time for the sea surface. Okay, because here
Sir,
we
there is a sea surface given here at this portion, and above it is not given. So
is
it
it
is
given?
there is
No,
sea surface given. So
this one.
here. This one is
Yeah,
sea
yeah,
surface,
we will use this one. Yes, we have this one. Yeah,
and other side we don't have, sir. So it will take, right, so time. It
yeah,
will
it
take
will
time,
take
right?
time. Yes, just think on it and try to finish it. Okay, and just
Actually,
record.
sir,
Hmm,
yeah. Actually, I have done
hmm.
B surface and filling all the patches, A surface and B surface. Just for the C surface, just I have that problem. So it has been taking so much time. 45 minutes I have been done. So they have told me to uh, close this and remastering should be start. So
Okay,
they haven't given me the time for the rest of the part.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, good. So just do one thing. Take this file. Okay, you have this file. Okay, I will not share my file. Okay, you have the wire, you have the bracket, you have the A style. Just try to finish it in 1.5 hour. Okay, everyone. Chinmay, Akash,
Yes, sir.
Ganesh. Okay, you already know.
Yes, sir.
You know how to design the
Yes, sir.
hooks. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just try to finish the close volume first. Okay, define the parting line. Sorry, the tooling MTD. Close volume. Okay, even though in draft analysis, if you're doing draft analysis for the hairstyle and the surfaces are not clearing in MTD, just leave it as it is. Just create a close volume and start beside feature. Clear? You
Yes.
have
Yes,
this.
sir.
You have this as an input. Here you can see. You will have to add ribs as well. See, I shown above. Highlighted feature, thickness, tooling, and beside surface. Good. Okay. Any doubt? Please share the file. Okay. Just drag it in our group. While doing this assignment, please use your stopwatch. Okay. What you have to do? Set the time of 1.5 hour. Okay. Instead of setting 1.5 hour, just set three timer. Okay. 30 minute, 1 hour, and 1.30 minute. Okay. Like this. So you will get idea. Okay. 30 minute. We have only 1 hour. Then we have only 30 minutes. Okay. Like this. Clear,
Okay.
everyone? Every time
Yes.
each and every assignment should be done with timer. Okay, without timer, if you're doing, there is no meaning. Okay, you have to finish it in 1.5 hour. That's it. Use shortcuts. Left hand should be on keyboards. Okay, new candidates who don't know how to use shortcut, we will learn. Okay, we'll learn it later, how to set up the shortcuts from the keyboard. Okay, clear? Shall we stop? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
thank you
sir.
so much. We will see you in next session. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Bye. Good night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Good night,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, all.
Good night.